So we're gonna get all the small head jokes out the way now, all right?
What?
Hey, what's up? Can your brand really fit in there?
No sir, we're not doing it, Y'all think you're funny, but you're not. Hey, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Charles, and we're vlogging now, bruh. So I have a calisthenics competition July 17th. I decided to make this weekly series until my event, so y'all can get an idea of what it takes to be a calisthenics athlete. The whole goal is to get y'all motivated too, bruh. And hopefully, my black ass doesn't have to compete anymore, and y'all get to it. Hopefully this year, next year, July 17th. Trust, during this pandemic, it's definitely hard to get motivated. But a lot of my motivation came from YouTube, so...
We global now.
What's good, y'all? You know, it's the boy, the boss on the West Coast, man. You know, doing what we do best. Hey, man, so to me, the difference between working out and training, working out is just something that you do in your leisure and you have, you know, fun time. And, you know, you may look at it as, you know, just to stay in shape, or you hear people that say just to maintain, you know. To me, when I hear a workout, it's just something that, you know, you do something, you kicking it with your friends, you know, we just going through the daily motions. But when you training, it brings the word purpose to mind. You know, you have a purpose and you have a meaning and a goal as to why you're training and what you're doing and how you're attacking your workout. To me, you got to be able to attack the workout, and that's what's going to bring training. And if you continuously train, level is unstoppable. If you continuously stepping up and continue to have purpose behind your workouts, then you really training like a boss, you heard? That's work.
What you don't want me to be, don't make me do what you don't want me to do. Please don't let me go now. Please don't let me go. Please don't let me go now. Please, please, please.
Look, hard work beats talent. Fuck niggas don't grind like me. If your goal to reach the ball, I muscle up, get nasty. Push a little harder, reppin' Oakland Calisthenics. If you think that you can beat me, boy, stop it, I am legend. Using my willpower with this mind, that's a weapon. Mentally prepared so that I keep stepping. Crossing every bridge, Stephen Curry, but I ain't shoot yet. You think you mad now? You should see when I'm ruthless. Money motivated? Nah, I motivate the money. What does that mean? That mean I make it come to me. Hustle every day, I keep my mind like Nipsey. Meditate, don't ever hesitate, that's why I'm never late. Think that you can do better than proving.
Nice.
No, like,
Yeah.
man.